How does it feel to shovel snow, Paul?
Tatrabaho sa sa Malabon.
Bakit sa Malabon?
Paglilinis ng sa isda.
Ay, tinatabunan ng yelo. Ganun ba yun?
Ano ba yun? Nabotas?
Mabigat, di?
Kasi mabigat mo.
Oh, gago. Buisit. Gusto mo tulungan kita?
Patapos na.
Picture to get to work.
I know. This is our neighbor David.
You know,
I'm uploading this on Facebook.
2 days for Manila.
Yes. I'm going to go to
So how are you going to get to the airport?
Exactly.
80-degree weather, at least, or
but how are you
90.
going to get to the airport is the question.
So what does David say about my upcoming trip?
Have a wonderful time. Don't do anything in the Philippines that I wouldn't do, and I'll leave you wide open.
That would be nothing.
That don't mean anything.
Hey, don't forget our party.
Yes.
Yes.
Did you call the girls? Or did you
I called Tiger already, so.
Oh, shut up. Already. I'll see, we're deep in snow. Okay. You guys are doing a great job. You're loving it, Paul, right? Life in America. This is our street, so we won't be able to get out for quite some time. Hopefully, we're going to get plowed out tonight or sometime today, so we can go to work tomorrow. Or for me at least, to get to the airport by Friday. And be in like 100-degree weather. I'm tired of the cold. That's our street. Woo! So, no shopping, can't shop for Pasalubong because we're stuck. All the malls are closed.